So today I am going to show you the Excel commands, the basic commands. Some of my friends ask me about these, and also some of my students asked me this last time. We created this sheet on Excel. Now I am going to tell you how we can use filter, how we can search a particular data, and how we can replace our data. So let's start. So guys, the first thing I want to show you how to filter the account. What is filter? Filter means you can, if you have thousands of records and only just you want to know about some specific data, so how can we do it? So we use filter to find some specific data, means because you cannot go there in the, if you have the 100 records and you need only just 2 or 3 records, or you have 100 database and you want to find 3 or 4 countries from there. So how can you filter it? So guys, what you have to do first, you have to select, suppose this is my database what I created last time. Now I have to filter my data. I will select the whole database. Then you can see on the top there are home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review. So we will click on data. On the data here you will find filter. Once you click on filter, so you will find these type of arrows, the pop-up with windows. So this arrows basically, when you click on it, so you can organize your data like alphabetic order, so you can search easily. Means the first, suppose you have 100 records, so first who start from A, it will come like suppose A to Z. I do it. So now see Abdullah and Abdul Rahim who started from A but they are down. So if I select A to Z, so now you can see these all A are, or 4A are on the top, and that's then M, and then S. If you have other records, so it will come later on. Okay guys, so we come on the filter, we click on the filter. Now from here, if you have huge database, you will click on it, select all, click on select all, so all the data will be unselected. Like if you need Anwar, okay, I select Anwar and Abdul Rahman. I need the information about these two students, so just I click it. So you can see now I can see the Abdul Rahman and Abdul Rahim and Anwar. So like this again, if I select all, so it will become like before. Like this, if you need the marks, if you need the total, if you need the grade, if you have countries, if you have different types of countries and the language you want to see, who speak French, so you can go to the language and then select the language. So guys, this is the filter. It's very easy and simple, and the most important most easiest thing here, how can you go to the particular record? Just you have to hold control button and press F, so you will find this window. Okay, once you find this window, you will write here which name you want, and that name will be highlighted. So Anwar I write here and find all. So now you can see Anwar is highlighted. Like if I write Sultan, so find all and Sultan will be highlighted. This is find. Now what is replace? If I want to replace this name Sultan into Ahmad, Ahmad is here, Hassan, I want to replace this name. So if I have 10 times Sultan, it will replace all. Suppose I write here Hassan. You can see here there is replace all and replace. So if you press replace, so only this cell will be changed. If you have 10 Sultan in your database and you click on replace, so the other Sultan will not change, only this Sultan will change. But if you click on replace all, so all the Sultans in your database, it will change into Hassan. So like this you can replace your whole data. Suppose you are in the organization and some of the company name change and you have database with the old names, so you can write the name of the company, the old name and the new name, and where they are using in the database where you are using the old name, it will change into replace. But you have to do replace all, not replace, because from the replace only one name will change where you are. If you do replace all, so all the database it will search your particular name what you found it, and then it will change it. So guys, today this is my small web video about those who wanted to ask these things and who asked me all these things. So thank you guys, take care, thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.